So I'm Jared with Emerald Coast Fabrication, and a lot of our clients ask, should I buy quartzite or should I buy marble? Well, let's look at the difference. So quartzite is a very strong, durable stone that has a lot of the same flowing and veining patterns as marble. The difference is the durability. Quartzite can withstand all of the daily wears and tears of the use of a kitchen, as well as the acidics that we use in our drinks and our foods. Marble is a lot softer and porous in nature than quartzite, so there's a lot more maintenance that has to be considered when purchasing marble material for your countertops. One decision that buyers are faced with when choosing between either quartzite or marble is the density of white in which they're looking for the material. If a buyer is wanting a very bright white material, they tend to lean towards using a marble because marbles carry a very bright white background to them that quartzites tend to not necessarily have. So then there's a third option, which is quartz. Quartz is a very different material from quartzite in the fact that quartz is man-made. Modern quartz patterns tend to have a marble-like look to them, giving homeowners the design patterns that they're looking for without the maintenance of marble or the price tag of quartzite. And that does it for today. If you have any further questions, please contact us at our number below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our video.